EDI exists to simplify supply chain management, deliver tangible, measurable business outcomes. It is the beating heart of effective supply chain management, making the service and support you receive from your EDI provider critical to your success. If your current EDI provider and support is slow and expensive, increasing your risk of penalties, creating a bad reputation, and stopping your business from growing, then it's time to change. EDI solution providers need to deliver flexibility, visibility, and personalization. EDI should be simple. We have helped many businesses make EDI simple and improve their supply chain operations. We are proud when our customers grow and succeed. We are happy to help and care about your needs. Our experienced support team builds strong relationships that work. We provide EDI as a service that is adaptable and empowers you to achieve flexibility while maintaining supply chain simplicity. We make reliable EDI integration simple. Our managed service team takes care of it all so you can concentrate on what you do best. At Data Interchange, our goal is simple: to streamline EDI adoption and management, allowing you to reap the full benefits of EDI, harnessing its power to improve your supply chain relationships and drive your commercial success. Whether you're a small business or a huge enterprise, our team of more than 100 EDI specialists are eager to work with you to deliver customized, cutting-edge solutions to meet your needs and those of your supply chain partners. For more information or to request a demo, visit our website.